Hi friends, I'm here with the new video in manufacturing, like how to set up an alternative work center. In organization, it is possible that people needs alternative work center for one order because there is too much production will happening. So employee might need a new alternative work center for the same product. So Flectra introduced a new feature where you can track your same product with the alternative work center. So let's just understand how to set up an alternative work center with the Flectra. So this is the Flectra database. You need to jump to the manufacturing module first. Here you can see that the manufacturing order will be running right now. So first of all, you need to go to the configuration. If you missed out the previous video, you need to go to the settings and you need to enable the work orders first from the settings. So let's just go to the settings first. Make sure you enable this option of work orders in the settings. So this is already done it, so we can jump back to the manufacturing again. Make sure you cancel out this option so you can see all of the running option right now. So these all are the work centers right now we have. There is no alternative work center distribute to the main work center. So first of all, we need to create an alternative work center. Like how to create. So let's just go to the create. We can write alternative work center. You can give the code to that like AWC. You can put it out. You can set up the assembly line 1, which is a major work center. So we are putting up the alternative work center to them. These are the working hours, like how many hours per week this work center will work. You can designate it. You can set it out the designated company as well. These are the general information of the work centers, like what would be the time efficiency. You can set the time efficiency as well. These are the capacity. These are the OE target. You can write down the description as well. This will be the major alternative work center for the assembly line 1, and you just need to save it. You can check out everything from here, like what would be the OE timing, what are the loss of what are the measurements. You can see everything from here. Let's just jump back to the work center again. You can set it out the Kanban view as well. So this is the alternative work center. You can see that you need to go to the assembly line 1. Let's just add it, and you need to set alternative work center from here as well. You can set up the description as well from here. Let's just save it and go to the work center. Now you can see that the alternative work center would be done by the employees. Now you can start manufacturing. You can start run scheduler. You can start the manufacturing order as well. You can just need to create the manufacturing order from here. Like what would be the product? The product will be the screw, the running schedule, what are the units, what are the bill of materials. You can create your own. You can add the product as well from here, just from the database, just like a bolt. Total consumed would be 10. What are the unit of measures? You can set it up here. We can just say the dozens. You can set up the work order as well, just from here. Operation would be the manufacturing. We can set up the work center from here, assembly line 1. And from here, you can again write manufacturing. And here you can set the alternative work center with the same product and same thing. You just need to save it and confirm it. You can see that the waiting for another work order. Once it will stop working, this will start working on it. So you can start it. You can see that it's been started. You can start this as well. You can see that both of them are working at the same time on the same product. So this is how the work center would be done. You can set it done. Work center 1 would be done. It's done. You can see that process running very smoothly with the Flectra. So you can put it mark as done. You can see that everything would be done from here. You can go to the operations. You can see what are the work orders, what would be the work orders would look like, how it should be done, why it should be done. These are the run scheduler, how the product variant would be done. You can see that in the work scheduler. The stock will be reserved for the operation. You can set it up there as well. These are the manufacturing order, what are the work orders. These are the work centers. So this is all I have for today. Thank you very much.